Connecting a wire to a terminal always looks like a fight against the universe. The cable slips, the terminal mocks you, and no matter how much you squeeze, it never holds. Of course, you're doing it wrong. Done the wrong way, it will always stay loose. But now comes the trick. The right way to connect a simple tiny wire into a terminal without headaches. Forget the frustration and the cable falling out every time. Follow this step by step, and you'll finally make that stubborn little wire stay put.